Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to set deadline automation for subitems in Monday.com, even if you've never used Monday.com before. Let's start. Step 1. Create a board. Log into Monday.com. Click plus Add, New Board. Name it Project Tasks. Keep board type as Main Board, then click Create Board. Step 2. Enable subitems. On your board, click the 3 dots next to a group name. Select Add Subitem Column. You will now see a subitem section under each item. Step 3. Add a date column to subitems. Open any subitem under your task. Click the plus column button inside the subitem section. Choose Date. Rename it Subitem Deadline. Show quickly how you click and rename. Step 4. Go to Automation Center. At the top right, click Automations, choose Automation Center. This is where all Monday.com automation recipes live. Step 5. Find Subitem Automations. In the Automation Center, click Subitem Category. Scroll to find When Subitem Date Arrives, Notify Someone. Or When Subitem Date Changes, Adjust Parent Item. Or When Subitem Status Changes, Set Subitem Date. For deadline triggers, the best one is Recipe. When Subitem Date Arrives, Notify Someone. Step 6. Customize the automation. Click the recipe. Monday opens the customization window. Click Date. Select your column Subitem Deadline. Click Notify. Choose Person Assigned or Email. Edit the message. Your subitem deadline is today. Please review. Click Add to Board. Step 7. Optional. Create auto reminders. If you want a reminder before the deadline, check When Subitem Date Arrives plus X days before. Notify someone. Set to 1 day before. Select Subitem Deadline. Add, then save. Step 8. Test the automation. Create a new task. Add one subitem. Set the subitem deadline to today or tomorrow. Assign it to yourself. You will see a notification when the date arrives. And that's it. You've successfully set automatic deadline reminders for subitems in Monday.com. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more simple tutorials.